generations. This is the Sonic theme, sung by my YouTube. YouTube. This song was sung by Mark. Why aren't you to UB underneath? That spells Mark YouTube. I know it doesn't really. Singing a song so freely, jumping on all these ropes. They're not really ping ping. Sexalicious. Kaboom! Damn it, go back again. Oh. On to the next level, shall we? Wah, 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 wah. Tales don't fall asleep. Amy, shut up, no one likes you. Are you ready for SMNS? Well, anyway, let's do this. No. You ready? Go, Sonic, go! Running really fastly, sliding on these power. Sonic, help me! He did. Oh, whoa, bruh, be afraid of awesomeness. Go, Sonic, go. to this thing. Alright, yeah, let's go, Sonic. Oh yeah, Sonic is awesome, Sonic is awesome. He can run really fastly. Running over water, Sonic the Hedgehog, he can run very fastly. Oh, much how I get the point, I do not really care. Sonic the Hedgehog, me, don't push me. Up, kaboosh. Oh, sorry. Kaboosh. Water slide, it's a water slide, it's a water slide, it's a water slide, it's a water slide. Whee! Whoa! I am skydiving! Ow! Sonic! Sonic! I want to walk in the station. If you don't, we don't steal you or see. Oh, damn it, I fell over. I don't have much time. Sonic. Stupid idiot. Don't move me around when I'm doing pineapples. Oh, that's good. I thought Sonic was going to die then. Don't grab me, you yellow bee beetle, Bob. It's a beetle. Get it? Because it's half bee, half beetle. I'm so funny. Hey, why is everything flooding? What's going on? Guys, everything's flooding. Guys, everything's flooding. Go. There is not much time left into universe Earth. And water. Oh god, this isn't good. The whole place is flooding. Not good. Not good at all. No, I repeat, this is not good. This is horrible. This is not good. Hey, come on, let's keep on going. Go, yes! This whole place is exploding. So let's run away from the epic explosions. Pineapples, pulse, meh. Jogan! Let's do this, guys. Okay, this is going to be the last level for today. I try to do 3 levels daily. Well, not daily, but like videoly. I missed that horrifically. Right through you, bruh. Out of control hedgehog. Out of control hedgehog. I do repeat, we are having it out of control. Oh, come on. Poop! Sickles on fudge lollies. Son of an arrow on a stick. Wee! Sonic, you suck at jumping. Get a life and do it right. Oh, sorry, guys. Skills. Oh! That was close. Am I right, guys? Yeah, I'm so right. I'm right, Anna. Right? Yeah, I'm right. Ah! Oh, come on. things came out of nowhere. Bruh! Bruh! Oh, this is the best bit, guys. Are you ready for the best bit? You ready? Yeah! Yeah, let's do this! Let's do this! This is the best bit! This is the best bit! 3, 2, 1! Blah, blah, blah! It's a truck with chainsaws. How cliche? Wait, it's not that cliche. Like, I mean, like, I haven't told this before. Like, just run! Sonic, do the jumpy jumps! Do the jumpy jumps, Sonic! Go, Sonic! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Sonic, it's catching you. Okay, what? I don't even know. Come on, I can finish this level. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna make it. No! Oh, yeah! Yes. See you guys in the next video. It will probably be on Monday in UK time at probably 6 o'clock in the evening. Do not mistake it 4 a.m. 'Cause if you do, then you are so stupid. I mean, why would I upload so early? This is the end of the video. I will see you guys later. Have a good one. I will see you guys later. Perhaps in that video or that one where we're not there. How sad of you, just look at my hair. See you guys later. Goodbye. I'm falling over. Bye, guys. See you, breath.